discontinuity of some typical functions. Okay, one of the typical functions is fx is equal to signum of x. The definition of signum is x when x greater 1, when x is greater than 0, minus 1 when x is less than 0, 0 when x is equal to 0. This is definition of signum function. ये function कहां पे discontinuous होता है? x is equal to 0 पे. This is discontinuous at x is equal to 0. तो ये फंक्शन कहां पे होगा डिसकंटिन्यूअस? सिग्नम ऑफ x minus 1, where this will be discontinuous, where x is equal to what? 1. This is discontinuous when x is equal to 0. This is discontinuous when x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x value is what? 1. तो ये इस पॉइंट पे होगा डिसकंटिन्यूअस, है ना? हम इसको लिखेंगे कैसे फंक्शन को? दिस इज 1 when x is greater than 1, minus 1 when x is less than 1, and 0 when x is equal to 1. ठीक है? ये फंक्शन कहां पे होगा डिसकंटिन्यूअस? fx is equal to signum of sin x. जब क्या 0 होगा? x 0 होगा या इन जनरल sin x 0 होगा? sin x. However, जब x 0 होगा तो sin x 0 होगा, पर ये फंक्शन सिर्फ 0 पे डिसकंटिन्यूअस नहीं होगा. इनफैक्ट ये कहां पे होगा? जब sin x 0 होगा. So this is discontinuous at sin x is equal to 0. And so what is solution of this? X is equal to n pi, where n belongs to z. There are infinite points which are integral multiples of pi where this function is discontinuous. We are understanding discontinuity of signum function. Where this function is discontinuous, fx is equal to signum of x square minus x plus 1. Where this is discontinuous. Is it discontinuous anywhere or not? No. Why? Because x square minus x plus 1 never becomes 0. है ना? x square minus x plus 1 को अगर 0 रखेंगे तो इसके roots क्या होंगे? Imaginary. In fact, this never becomes 0. In fact, this is always what? Positive. And what is signum of positive argument? That is what? 1. So this function is continuously what? 1 for all x belongs to R. Hence this function is continuous. ठीक है ना?